Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio. Here's a mosaic that Jeanne's already got done, glued, grouted. Now she wants the back to be prettier. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting some painter's tape right here on the edge. To protect it, because it's just slightly skewed. And I don't want any paint getting on the glass. So here we are.
What do you mean it's slightly skewed?
I'll show you. See that?
Oh.
It's the board itself. So now the paint won't get underneath this. And I've already shaken that up quite a bit, so ready to go. So this ought to work pretty well. I get more paint out of the nozzle when I keep my finger on the trigger. But you know, every once in a while I'll wear out and I'll let it off a little bit. And so I'll still be doing the same action, but I won't be getting any paint coming out. Okay, I think that's about as good as it's going to get. So, thanks, that was kind of fun.
This is dry. It doesn't feel tacky anymore, I don't think. So I'm going to turn it over. And then I'm going to take off this tape.
Did any paint get on the tape? I see some paint.
On the tape? No.
Oh, look at the edge of it. There
Oh,
at
on
your
the
hand.
edge. So it's a good thing you put it on. It would have gotten on the glass.
All right, let's see.
Okay, so here we go. This is the first window of the series that we're doing for the Covey Center for the Arts. So we're doing a whole bunch of mosaics. A bunch of little ones, but mainly the 4 big ones that are a big waterfall. Actually, I wanted to do this one first to kind of practice, and I found out I'm not going to do teeny tiny little itty bitty squares because this took too long, and I'm thinking a great big mosaic. Yeah, I don't have years to do this, but I think it turned out pretty well, and I like the back a lot better than the raw wood was. So now I'm going to leave it to David to put some kind of a hanging wire back there so it can hang on the wall. One down! Yay! So here is the finished mosaic. And I talked about doing just some painting on the edge But I don't know, it still didn't look finished to me. So then I put a piece of glass and the little green in the middle. And I like how it looks from the side, but I don't know, I don't like how it feels. I don't like how this rough edge is going to go against the wall. It looks nice that way, so I'm still not sure. I'm still looking for the best way to do the edges, and I'm thinking I'm going back to paint. But that's how that looks, and it looks pretty nice.
All right, and so we just still have to put the hanging wire on the back of it.
Yes, there's not anything to hang yet, so we're still working on that.
Okay, thanks, Jeannie.
Yep.